Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your BMW 7 Series door. First, ensure your key fob is with you. For keyless entry, simply approach the vehicle with the key in your pocket or bag. The car will detect the key's presence, allowing you to unlock the doors with a gentle touch or pull. We will also cover the manual key method for all situations. For keyless entry, the BMW 7 Series utilizes its comfort access system. With your key fob on your person, simply walk up to the car. The vehicle senses the key's proximity, typically within a 5-foot radius. Then, a gentle pull on the door handle will unlock and open the door, providing seamless entry without pressing any buttons on the fob. It's designed for maximum convenience. Should you need to open the door manually, perhaps due to a low-key fob battery, locate the physical key hidden inside your key fob. There's a small, discreet keyhole on the driver's side door handle, often concealed by a cap. Insert the physical key and turn it to unlock. From inside, a single pull on the handle unlocks, and a second pull opens the door, ensuring you can always exit safely. Always prioritize safety when opening your BMW 7 Series door. Before exiting, take a moment to check for passing vehicles, cyclists, or pedestrians. It's also wise to practice both the keyless and manual opening methods so you are prepared for any situation. Teach passengers, especially children, how to properly use the interior door handles for a safe and smooth exit every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.